Hello, it's me, Alika Risahaya. I'm from English Literature in Gunadarma University. Right now, I will help you to learn about conditional sentence type 1, type 2, and type 3. But before, we need to know what is conditional sentences. A conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a condition. A condition is something that can only happen if something else occurs. A conditional sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause that almost always begins with if. There are few different kinds of conditional sentences in English. The first one is type 1. Type 1 conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses an idea that might happen at some point in the future. It is something that is possible, but its certainty is unknown because it depends on another event. The dependent clause of the first conditional begins with if and uses the simple present tense. The independent clause of the first conditional uses will plus the base form of a verb. For example, if it rains, I will not play outside. If it rains is a dependent clause, and I will not play outside is an independent clause. The next one is type 2. A second conditional sentence is a sentence that can express two ideas. First, it might express things in the future that are unlikely to happen. Second, it is used to express an idea that is not true because it is impossible. The dependent clause of the second conditional begins with if and uses the past simple tense. The independent clause of the second conditional uses would plus the base form of a verb. For example, if I were you, I would not leave tonight. If I were you is a simple past tense. And then it is dependent clause. And I would not leave tonight is independent clause. The last is the third conditional, type 3. Conditional sentence expresses a past idea that did not occur. The third conditional sentence expresses a major result of that past event that did not occur. In other words, it is unreal. The dependent clause of the third conditional begins with if and uses the past perfect tense. The independent clause of the third conditional uses would have plus the past participle of a verb. For example, if I had listened, I would have not gotten lost. If I had listened is a past perfect tense, and I would have not gotten lost is the independent clause. Okay everyone, I think that's all. Thank you.